So the first designs are 10 and the second designs are 68. So that brings us to a total of 78 St. Patrick's Day designs that you can download right now. If you'd like to know how to get these designs, keep watching till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be giving you some free graphics that you can use for your St. Patrick's Day designs. So without further ado, let's get right into it. But before we get into the free graphics, I just want to quickly announce that Flying Research Tool has been launched. I did a giveaway a few days ago celebrating its launch. And here's a Flying Research launch package or the launch deal. So you can get 50% off using this launch deal. You actually get a founder's account. If you look at my account right here, you see this badge. It says first or founder's account. This is a chance for you to get this badge, this founder's badge. And after this launch period, you won't be able to get it again. So this launch period is it started on the 19th and it's going to end on the 28th of February. That's on Sunday. And after this period, you won't be able to get this founders launch price again. The code you're going to use is money online 50, all capital letters. So I've shown you in the past how to use Flying Research. In short, I use it every week to bring you trending t-shirt designs. It's a very good tool it's a very easy tool that is very essential for your print on demand business because it gives you high trending t-shirt designs that you can use immediately for your print on demand business. So I recommend that you get Flying Research as soon as possible so as to get your founder's account, because after the 28th it won't be available anymore. So the link to Flying Research is in the description below. Moving on to the giveaway, today's giveaway, I just want to quickly show you this page. Is my page on Vexels, my landing page on Vexels. Now you can't get to this page if you don't use the link in the description below. Even if you get on Vexels, you won't be able to find this page. So the only way to get on this page is to click the link in the description, and when you land on this page, you have the free St. Patrick's Day graphic bundle. This is the 78 bundle that I was talking about. This is it right here. This is how it looks like. So there are some pretty graphics that you can use for St. Patrick's Day. This first bundle is 78, and the 10 graphic designs. This one is from Printify, and there's also a link in the description that you can use. So very quick before we get to the end of this video, I just want to quickly share with you that if you want your Google Calendar to look like this, there's a link in the description that you can sync your Printify or print on demand dates with your Google Calendar. So if you want that link, if you want it to look like this, let me know in the comment section below. It has integrated with my Mac laptop or my Mac calendar, and this makes it easy for me to find any print on demand date that I want to make a design for. The one in green is the Google Calendar, and the one in purple is the Printify's calendar, and the one in blue is my reminder. So if you want your calendar to look like this, your Google Calendar to look like this, let me know in the description below. And real quick before we get to the end of this video, if you're a new subscriber, let me know in the comment section. Just type in the comment section #newsub, and I'll personally welcome you into the community. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about print on demand KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.